Eric Thomas with Blue Nail Enterprises, your home improvement experts, and we are here today to talk a little bit about impact-resistant shingles. So what we want to share with you guys is the first thing, the greatest benefit of putting on an impact-resistant shingle is the fact that you may not have to replace a roof again due to hail. So the objective is, especially in North Texas with the bad weather we have, hey, if I can put a shingle that's impact-resistant, that may save me from having to replace a new roof, right? So you save the money, you save the time, you save the headache. One of the best parts about it is you can save up to 30% on your insurance premiums. Contact your insurance agent for an exact amount of savings. This product is labeled as a UL 2218. It's class 4 rated. So what they do is they test this with a steel ball and they do an impact test at 60 miles an hour. If they hit it in the same spot twice and it does not fracture or disrupt the mat of the shingle, which is the underlayment it's made with, they consider that to be impact resistant. Therefore, insurance companies assume we have to pay for fewer roofs over the life of a policy, and that's why they're willing to give you a discount on your premium. So we put these on for a decade and beyond. We know exactly how these go. We make sure that you not only get impact-resistant shingles, but you're getting an impact-resistant system. So your hip and ridge and all the components have to be just right. Call the right team. Call Blue Nail Enterprises today, 469-726-2176, or check us out on the web at bluenailroofing.com.